What's up, guys? It's the Only One Beam Machine back with another video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe this video. Today we are out here in the woods, just discovering some places. We're right here, and I'm about to start heading out and gonna go on the journey with me. So let's go. So we're trying to decide how I'm going to get down from here. I got my friend with me just in case you don't want to know who that is. Just one of my friends that I went out with. Let's see.
Let's go. Whoa.
Alright, I'm gonna get down there. So let's see if I can do this. Alright. I have this tree right there. I don't know how I'm logging and doing this. Look at this jump. I mean, it's not that high, I'm just overreacting. Let's do this. Alright, we are making our way out of here. There's a creek right there. Big rock right there, big tree right there, big rock, big tree, Oh, home sweet home.
Hey.
Let's go. Oh, boys, look at this place. Oh, almost fell right there. There's ice. Look at that. If I slip on that, I'm dead. Actually dead. Nah, I'm just joking. Alright, we made it through. Right there. Most dangerous. Briar. Prickly bush. Another briar. Briar. Prickly bush. Briar. Prickly bush. Danger spot.
I can get through it. I don't need no help.
Ooh. 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 Ow. Let's go. We got through it. Oh, there's hairy bushes. Okay, actually, let's go. I'm not... Look at that. Beautiful scenery right there. Beautiful scenery. I have to take a picture of that. Look at that. I'm about to head out right there. See if I can do it. Flip it towards my face. Yeah. I thought I was joking. I can head toward my face. I am. And I never joke around. You subscribe. Sorry for the stutter. Subscribe to my old channel. Thanks a lot. That meant a lot to me. And if you found this new channel, just subscribe. Like I said in the beginning, I want to be like those guys who like hit that subscribe button. But I just want to get a lot of subs and a lot of fans. And trying to be a big YouTuber. So yeah. Looks like it's clear. Looks like it's clear right here. Like there's not that much prickly bushes. Stuff. Prickly bush tree. Like I'm in prickly bushes and briars right here. Nice water.
Nice water.
And some trees. Some friendly trees. Some friendly trees. That's why I said friendly. Should be deadly. Missed. That's what you get. Yeah. Looks not that dangerous right now. And we're about to get back. Someone tried to drink something out here, like lemonade or something. Yeah, like lemonade. What are they doing? What are they doing out there? What are they doing? What are they doing? I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing something. They're doing something with that something. I don't know what that something is they're doing. They're doing something. And that something might be the good or bad. I don't know, but they're doing it. They're hiding it. And it's something. Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes sense. Okay. Oh. It's the easiest one yet. I was freaking out about nothing. There's a big briar going over. I ain't scared of nothing. I ain't scared of nothing. Ain't nobody scared me. Look at that. Nobody's scared of me. I ain't scared of nobody. Everybody's scared of me. This tire. Look at this tire. Big boy tire. I could lift that in one try. Actually, I probably couldn't, but I could still lift it. Actually, I probably couldn't. But I could do something. Yeah. Ain't nobody messing with me. Nobody messing with me. Let's go. I see some houses. We almost made it out, boys. We almost made it out. The video's almost about to be over. Sadly, this is gonna be my fourth really video on this channel, for my second actual video. I have 2 shorts on this. Go show this to your friends. Go show this to your family. Go do anything to get me up. And if you comment down below, I'll get your channel. I'll sub to you. If you sub to me, we'll make it a deal. We'll make it a deal. All right, let me put the camera. Let's go, boys. We made it out. We have officially went through a whole forest, went through this person's house. We have done it all. And if you want to see a video where I spend the night in that creek, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment Beam Machine, and I'll do it. I'll make it happen. And the video is ending right now.